In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your Windows 11 PC to your iPhone hotspot. So the first thing you want to do is go into your phone and we're going to go to Settings. Now in Settings, go to Cellular and make sure your cellular data is turned on. Then what you want to do is go back and go to Personal Hotspot just beneath it and toggle on Allow Others to Join and set a Wi-Fi password that you'll use on your PC. Then scroll down to where it says Maximize Compatibility, and I recommend you toggle this feature on if you're having trouble connecting to your mobile hotspot on your PC. So now that you've done that, go back to your computer and have a look in the bottom right corner and click on this section, and then where it says Wi-Fi Available, we're going to select this arrow to manage our connection. So here is where you should be able to find your iPhone mobile hotspot, so click on it, and then you'll want to select Connect. Now, if you've never connected to it before, you'll have to enter in that Wi-Fi password you set on your phone, and sometimes it doesn't work the first time, so I'm going to try it again, and then it should connect, and here you can see it's now working. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.